opening a box and finding a fully functional high-performance machine that does not require a degree in computer engineering is a feeling some purists might scoff at. But for the rest of us, it is pure bliss. We have all seen the horror stories of bent pins on a motherboard or a static shock that turns an expensive component into a useless paperweight. This specific glass paneled gaming rig eliminates all of that anxiety in one fell swoop. It arrives at your door ready to ignite. At its heart sits a high-end 8-core processor that acts as the primary brain. This chip handles every task you throw at it with an almost arrogant ease. You're not going to find yourself hitting those frustrating performance walls where the system stutters because the brain cannot keep up with the muscle. It is just fluid. It is just fast. Speaking of muscle, the graphics hardware included here is a bit of a sweet spot in the current market. Specifically, it is the version of the mid-tier card that comes with a massive buffer of video memory. Having a large amount of that memory is a total game changer for longevity. That extra headroom for textures is exactly what you need if you want to push beyond standard high definition and step into the world of crisp, enhanced high-resolution gaming. You can crank up the details in those sprawling fantasy landscapes. You can stay competitive in fast-paced shooters without the machine gasping for air. It is a smooth, consistent experience that makes the cost of admission feel justified. The internal assembly is impressively tidy. You will not see a bird's nest of tangled black cables blocking the airflow or ruining the aesthetic through the glass side panel. Everything is tucked away and secured properly. The storage is snappy too. This means your loading screens will be nothing more than a brief pause before you are back in the action. However, it is important to be honest about the trade-offs involved in a pre-assembled setup like this. You are definitely paying for the labor and the professional testing. You're paying for the peace of mind that comes with a solid warranty. If you are the type of person who enjoys hunting for individual components across 5 different websites to save every possible nickel, this might feel a bit pricey. You are also getting a power supply that is perfectly adequate for the current parts, but might not leave you a ton of room if you decide to upgrade to a power-hungry flagship card in a few years. But that is the point. This machine is for the person who wants a rock-solid, stable experience today. It is not a science project for tomorrow. It is about reliability and immediate satisfaction. It is for the player who wants to finish their workday, click a button, and be transported into another world without a single worry about driver conflicts or hardware compatibility. It is a comfortable, high-performance solution that respects your time. You are buying hours of your life back by not having to build it yourself. For many gamers, that is the best deal of all.